Living a dream. I kneel to pray in wise way, I say, cover me, Lord, for my dream to live. As gold, I dig with living hope, like pulling tightrope for my dream to live. As young as I am, for you, I bow to allow your strength, your spirit, my passion, my ambition to accomplishing as my mission. Yes, dream can only be accomplished depending upon how much effort you put on them. Living a dream attracts depression with exhaustion. Here I need mind digestion for new suggestion for my dream to live. I create solution with enthusiasm. I run my mission. Because my dream really matters to me, and no one is gonna take it away from me. The road to success is not straight. You strive for a dream to shine, facing ups and downs, transforming impossible to possibles, and capturing a dream to keep it alive. Yes, life is unpredictable, but for a dream it's predictable for enabled to ables. Be true to yourself. Life is a broken winged bird that cannot fly. Follow your dreams with all your heart because living a dream is living for a reason. Living a dream.